Just a reminder, the low to upper 350 is still an important longer-term price ceiling that I would need to see the market close above 358.04 at the end of a week to clarify a long-term buy signal that I would expect to yield 520.34 5-year channel top within probably a half year of closing above 358.04. We do have a channel top that is expected still at 345.14. This came into play Wednesday of last week when we yet again, for the third time in about 3 weeks, rejected a meaningful 2 to 3 week sell signal. And oftentimes that is just a sign of strength. And by strength, I mean 345.14 up to 358.04. If we do close above 345.14, I think at the very least you should exit a short position that was established there, because I see a case to be made. Closing above 345.14 does carry with the possibility of a breakout situation. I think you can reverse out of a short position and go long some, and then the balance. You're fully loaded with a settlement on Friday above 358.04. There could be this sort of no trade whatsoever. If we close above 345.14, you're out of a short, you're not long yet, and that happens above 358.04 where you go full long. The daily charts here, we do have 331.53, this descending channel top. We certainly pushed through it. This was our initial 3 to 5 day target when we actually closed last Wednesday above the 320.49 trend line. I still like this trend line as a level to get long at and to reverse 3 to 5 day swing traders. So if we close today below 320.49, that is a clear reversal down to 304.33. So 3 to 5 day swing traders are long above 320.49, expecting 345.14 within 3 to 5 days, and closing below 320.49, you get short for 3 to 5 days only down to the 304.33 trend line. Where we could bottom out for the week, possibly round up again into later August. If we do close below 304.33 at the end of the week, then we actually do enter a meaningful sell signal that does carry with it the possibility of 247.79 by the end of September. I do think after this sort of consolidation, closing below it, I think it carries with it more than 271.81. Until then, we are still bullish, as we have been. 345.14 level as a 1 to 2, 2 to 3 week objective when we settle back above this 320.49 trend line. And 345.14 is actually in reach today, potentially, with a push, especially open above 331.53. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.